In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to manage privacy settings in the Slack app so you can control how your data is used and personalize your privacy preferences. Let's get started. First, open the Slack app on your phone. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. Next, tap Preferences. Scroll down and select Privacy and Security. Here, you'll find several privacy options that you can review and customize. Depending on your workspace and app version, scroll down and you can manage settings such as analytics and data usage, billing, and other privacy-related preferences, if available to your account. After making your changes, your privacy settings are saved automatically, so there's no need to tap a Save button. Keep in mind that some privacy options are controlled by your workspace admin, so certain settings may not be available or editable. That's it. Now you know how to manage privacy settings in the Slack app. If this video helped, like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.